Hey guys, what's going on? Adrian here with McKay Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas, and I'm sitting inside a 2021 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss Custom. Now, the good thing about this backup camera is that for one, you can do your guidelines, which I don't know if you can see, but you also can hook up to a trailer by hitting up this little trailer option here, and it guides you right to where your hitch is. Now, once you hook up to it, if you're a one-man doing this operation, it's gonna be a little stressful having to check, make sure all your lights are working right, because you have to check whether your left turn signal, right turn signal, braking, and reverse lights are working. Well, not to worry. Chevrolet thought about this and they added this trailering light option. So as soon as you click it, it takes you to the screen. It says pressing start will cycle your trailer lights and on and off so you can check if they're working. Park your vehicle, use this feature. You hit start, so it's going to check your running lights, brake lights, left turn signal, right turn signal, reverse lights. So if you notice it says stop, means that it's running a cycle to make sure that all those lights are working. Again, that comes in handy if you're by yourself and you need help or assistance, making sure all your lights are working. So guys, for questions like this or questions like with anything else with the vehicle, give us a call. Our number is 903-746-4630, Gladewater, Texas. You have a good one.